A new month is just around the corner, and that means a new pin trading poster with pin releases. The first new pins of the month are 3 fun designs featuring Olaf, Chip, and Dale. We'll also see a series of pins inspired by the Disney animated film Encanto, as well as a DuckTales collection. Among the limited edition pins, a Hades pin from Hercules. There are also butterfly-themed pins and a limited edition pin from The Princess and the Frog. At the end of the month, Disneyland Paris wraps up the summer season with open edition pins featuring Nala, Simba, Raja, and Abu plus 3 charming Winnie the Pooh pins. Get ready for a fantastic adventure with the newest Marvel Studios film, The Fantastic Four: First Steps, in cinemas from July 23rd. It's time to rally the family and power up with all new exclusives at Disneyland Paris. For the first time ever, The Thing is making his debut at Disneyland Paris. He's big, he's bold, and he's one rock-solid friend. Head to the Gateway portal at Walt Disney Studios Park for a fantastic encounter. For a limited time only, discover cosmic new creations at Marvel Avengers Campus and Disney Hotel New York. The Art of Marvel. Enjoy drinks and desserts inspired by Mr. Fantastic, the Invisible Woman, the Human Torch, and the Thing. Get ready for a dazzling experience. A Million Splashes of Color will be back in February 2026. A Million Splashes of Color was a vibrant show that debuted at Disneyland Paris in 2024 as part of the Disney Symphony of Colors Festival. This colorful show featured 3 spectacular floats, professional dancers, and beloved Disney and Pixar characters. Walt Disney Imagineering Paris has added new decorations to the gazebo garden. This garden is part of the new Adventure Way area at Walt Disney Studios, soon renamed to Disney Adventure World. The new decorations are bronze statues. They are inspired by the kind you might see in English parks. The statues show famous British characters. You can find Peter Pan sitting on a tall post, Winnie the Pooh relaxing on a bench, and Pongo with Dalmatian puppies near another bench. Guests will be able to walk around the garden, take photos, and enjoy the peaceful setting. The gazebo garden will open in 2026, when Walt Disney Studios Park becomes Disney Adventure World. Discover this adorable Chip and Dale figurine, available in select Disneyland Paris shops with Erebus France products and online on the Erebus France website. Walt Disney Imagineering Paris shared some photos from the new covered terrace at Casey's Corner. The project was finished last month. The new terrace features numerous nods to the world of baseball. The Victorian charm that defines Main Street, USA, is clearly present in the covered terrace, with decorative spindle friezes and frosted glass globe lamps with brass finishes. But what makes it truly unique are the subtle baseball-inspired details that echo the theme of Casey's Corner. Bats are cleverly integrated into the railings of the gates, the roof gables, and even the backs of chairs. Baseball motifs can also be found in the bas reliefs, on the chairs, and even on the sorting bin. While the Disney Music Festival is in full swing in Disneyland Park, this summer, guests will also be able to rediscover Frontierland and Adventureland, thanks to exciting new experiences imagined by Walt Disney Imagineering Paris to enrich the stories of both lands. Gold Rush in Frontierland. For the past few weeks, guests have been joining a fun treasure hunt for hidden gold nuggets across Frontierland. The sheriff needs help to recover loot scattered by bandits all over Thunder Mesa. This adventure is a fresh and exciting way to explore the Wild West. To join, grab a leaflet from a cast member, find 10 nuggets or more, then head to the Thunder Mesa Mercantile Building to claim a surprise.